Ras Al Khaimah is the next UAE investment hotspot. Thanks to endless miles of idyllic sun-drenched beaches and the flagship Wynn Casino Resort project, tourism to the Emirate is expected to triple by 2027. Major hotel brands are accelerating their investment, and now private property investors have a chance to ride the huge wave of growth that's approaching. Cape Hayat is part of a private island master plan, a unique upmarket waterfront community carefully designed to provide an extraordinary way of life. Investors have a choice of studio 1 and 2 bed apartments with breathtaking panoramic views from all properties, direct beach access, and truly superb on-site amenities. Property prices start from just 690,000 dirhams, with a 10% deposit, stage payments during construction, and a 2 or 3 year post-handover payment plan. This is a unique opportunity to be part of something special, where supply is strictly limited and growth is absolutely guaranteed. For full details, register today with Colliers